Hi everyone, here is Marcel from Acumen Finance. In this video I'm going to show you how you can raise finance for your property project. Properties in UK is a big topic at this moment. It seems to be a very good way of achieving your financial freedom. Everybody's talking about financial freedom, but very little people, are talking about how you can raise finance actually for your property development projects. Just to let you know, all the lenders are looking, when assessing your cases, they are looking for how experienced you are as a developer, what is your track record, if you have a team, a power team in place like builders, architects, planners, consultants, and so on. And also, it's very important to show them a good exit strategy. For example, after you finish your development, you can keep the units and sell it and rent it out, or you can sell it them on the open market. Of course, there are some personal circumstances that is gonna make easier or a little bit more challenging, to raise finance with the banks. But the great news are that the lenders are willing to lend money to property investors. In the next couple of videos, I'm going to show you a few specific products, financial products that you can get from the banks to finance your deals. And please subscribe to this channel for more information. And I promise you, I'm going to provide more free content on this channel. Now, bye for now.